Yeah, I'm just at a local public market where they sell a lot of dogs and animals. And downstairs, underneath the building, it looks like they're selling meats and things. So I just met a lady here, and she's selling some pups. And there's a cute little Frenchie. Check this out, this fella here. Look at this one. Oh, look at this one. You. Look at this cutie. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at him. So happy. Typical Frenchie. They all seem to have the same type of personalities. I've got a Frenchie at home, and this is very similar character. Look at these little cuties. Oh, so cute. So many cuties here. All little babies. They're all getting their vitamin, oral vitamin care. Look at this. Look at this little one. Oh, little fella. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh, he says, look. Can I have a play? No, maybe not. Maybe not. They're cute. I love the Frenchie. I love this Frenchie. You're cute. You're so cute. I can't miss these little ones out. Look at that. Look at that little face. This one here, he's playing with his mates next door. Oh, look at you, look at you. So we just had their vitamins and, oops, and they're ready for sale. Oh, this one's cute. This brown. It's kind of like a Labrador. I think these are Labradors, chocolate and a black labby. Ooh, yeah. They say, come and buy me, come and buy me. I would if I lived here. If I lived here, I would take you home. I would adopt you. I would adopt you. Especially this fella here. This one here is so cute. Hey, look at your little teeth. Look at those little teeth. Look at those little teeth. Oh my God. Look at him. Look at his teeth. He's so cute. Let's do a selfie. Let's get a selfie shot. Hey, come here. Oh. I miss my Thor. Oh, good boy. I think you're a girl. I don't know. Yes, you're a girl. It's a girl. She's really excited and happy. Look at this. She's so cute. You are so cute. She likes a good play. Don't you? You like a good play, but you can't get out, you can't run. You can't run. Alrighty. We're gonna go. I have to go and see some. I'll come back. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. Oh! That's so cute. Alrighty. Bye-bye. See you. See you later. See you later, cutie. Oh, look at that. How cute. And you're a cheeky one. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you. See you later. Alrighty. Cutie. Alright, it was good to talk to you.
Yes, you can talk to me.
I'll see you, I'll come back. I've got to do a little walkthrough and check the market.
We'll go to Divisoria. We'll go to Divisoria. Your necklace, there are too many snatchers there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So take it off, leave it in the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What country you are?
Sorry?
What country? What country?
Country, Australia.
Oh, Australia.
Yeah. So, which area is that?
Divisoria, that way.
Oh, that way.
168 Mall. Divisoria mo, there's that way.
Yep. Okay. All right. I'll go back to the
There
hotel.
are too many strangers
Take
there.
this.
Yes, you take off your necklace.
Yeah. Okay. What about the Tondo area?
Tondo?
Tondo?
Oh, yes.
Tondo
So
good?
you go straight. No.
Oh.
There are too many snatchers there.
Again.
I am from Tondo. I know where it is.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, no worries. I'll go back to the hotel. I'm thinking.
If you want, you put a towel.
Oh, around.
Yeah, you put towel.
Yeah. All right. Excellent. Good advice. Great.
You come back here so we can talk together.
Yeah. No worries. I will.
There's a blogger. My companion is a blogger also. Kuya Kat. She has many subscribers already.
Yeah.
In
Yep.
YouTube.
Yep. Yep. All right.
You're only alone, huh?
I'm alone. Yeah.
Okay.
I came here on my own.
You're only alone.
Yeah. Yep. Alrighty. I'll take your advice. I'll take this off and put it back in the hotel.
Yes. But
Good idea.
if
All
you
right.
walk, just put a towel.
Put something. Yeah.
You want? I will buy a towel for you. Do you want? Do you want towel? I will buy.
Yeah. Okay. We'll get
Again?
we'll get a towel.
I can buy. I buy towel for you. Wait
Okay.
na.
Okay. Sure.
Jay! Bilang mo nga ng good morning towel to Jay.
A lovely lady's going to buy a towel for me. The advice is to just cover up the necklace.
Bilang mo muna siya towel.
Apparently, just in the area that I was heading, it's advised not to have these sort of things showing. So I didn't really think about it too much before I left the hotel. But it's good advice. It's good to hear what the locals have got to say, and if the locals are going to give you that advice, then maybe take the advice and do what they say. So I met the lovely Janette, was the pet shop owner, and Janette has offered me lunch, Filipino lunch. So I'm sitting here with Janette and her husband. We're here having lunch just on the outskirts of Chinatown, Alfonzo Street. So if you come by Alfonzo Street, you'll see Janette. She's here with her all the dogs in her little pet shop. But here we go. I'm going to dig in. Got to get in while it's hot before everyone else has a go. Lovely. It's Janette and her husband. What was your husband's name?
Gonzalo.
Oh,
Loy Pastor.
yeah.
I'm a member of Philippine Eagle.
Member-
Are you a member in
Oh, Philippine Eagle.
Australia Eagle?
No,
Eagle Club.
no. Is it a motorcycle club? What is
Motorcycle club.
motorcycle? Is
You are
it?
the member.
Oh no. Are you?
You know what Eagle?
No.
Eagle is the organization of whole world. I'm a Philippine Eagle.
Philippine Eagle.
Australia, we have an Australia Eagle.
Australia Eagle. We'll have one.
Yeah.
We'll have one. Oh, there you go. There you go.
You see the eagle in Australia. This is the logo.
Oh, the fraternal
If
order
you
of
see the Australia here,
Philippine Eagle.
that's an eagle.
Well, I learn something new every day.
Yes. Wait.
Gotta get in.
Ito na.
Got to hook in. Let's go. Dirty ice cream.
Yeah, that is made by man.
Ampalaya and then avocado and
What do you want? Avocado? Queso?
yung doble ha. Avocado and mango.
Mango? A mango?
Mango and
Mango?
avocado. Yeah. You want mango? What,
Yeah.
what about avocado?
I'll try it. I've never tried it.
Halo, halo. Halo.
It's a dirty ice cream.
Flavor only. Ampalaya flavor.
How much do they sell this on the street? How much?
Only 20 pesos.
20 pesos. We'll give him the 20 pesos. I give him...
Kanya! Kaibigan namin! Dapat tumabot yan ng ganito kataas, ha? Hey, hey!
Oh,
Taste that!
When you taste it, you go crazy. Wow.
Hey!
Wow.
It's not good.
Oh.
It's not good.
oh.
That's what you call sorbetes. Sorbetes. That's
Beautiful.
sorbetes. Yeah.
Mango and avocado.
Yes, that is mango. The yellow
And the
one is mango. The green one is avocado.
Avocado.
Balik ko yung kapital lang.
Amazing. That's good. Very good.
You have in Australia you have a dialect, not
English?
and,
You mean dialect?
and
Just
only
English.
English.
Only English.
Oh,
Yeah,
Australia.
just English.
But the other one, but it's not Germany. They talk German.
German. Yep.
You want to take?
Do you want up your sugar?
Yeah.
Eat them!
Up the diabetes level?
I have diabetes.
Diabetes?
Yeah. And you have, you don't have.
No.
What do you call that thing?
This
Okay
one,
daw. Okay daw.
avocado. It's good. It's very good.
Is there a camera on that?
Camera.
Come on. How much
It's
is this?
$800. $800.
$800?
Australian.
Very expensive, oh.
Yeah.
That one. Package. No. Ah?
Oh, this.
Oh, that one. That
Yeah,
one.
this one.
Package.
Yeah.
Package.
It's melting! Eat it!
It's melting. It's melting. I've got to eat it. I've got to eat it fast.
Nagro-rotate.
Yung alin?
Ito ang camera niya.
Doon mo nga! Maestro, hindi magbabayad eh!
So we've got the dirty ice cream man here. He's given everyone a mango and avocado. Beautiful.
Ha? Home?
Very good. Look, it's steaming.
What do you call to this? What do you call that?
Bell. Bell.
Because you are special people.
We call it yokalele.
You have a queen ice cream.
Yokalele.
A ukulele.
Damel, oh yeah. Happy birthday to Janette, ha?
I should pay this man.
Ha?
I should pay this man. I should pay.
Will pay?
I give him some money for the ice creams.
Kat! Tingnan mo camera niya ka to. Ang ganda. Nagro-rotate. Tanong mo magkano? Ito kaibigan namin. Oh.
Bumaba ka mo, magpa-vlog ka kami.
Australia siya.
Bumaba ka mo,
This is also a vlogger.
Oh.
Yeah. Pet vlogger. Pet market.
Oh, the pet market.
Yeah, pet market.
Yes, Kuya Kat.
Nagro-rotate yung camera niya. Oh.
You see the vlog in Daddy
Ang
Day.
ganda.
Yeah?
Tanong mo
Yeah.
magkano?
You
How much?
search Daddy Day.
How much is this? 800.
800 Australian.
Australian dollar. may ano siya yun,
Equivalent ng ano? Equivalent ng Australian dollar.
di ba? Kumain pa siya sa amin. Gusto niya Filipino dish.
Naturo na turo, bahala ka dyan. That is
So,
30,000.
YouTube. YouTube. By YouTube.
which one is it?
Ano ba yung hintay mo? Pinalag ka na. Mas ka na.
Sisigan. Sisigan na lang bilhin mo. Kasama na sa vlog.
This one.
Ay, successful daw.
Oh, Daddy Dan's
Yes, that is our blogger. He's the blogger. Daddy Dance TV. Daddy Dance TV. Yes, this one. That one.
Siyempre, alam ka naman kumakain.
This one,
Yes, that one.
That one?
Yeah, Daddy Dance TV. That is our blogger.
Oh yeah. 120,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have.
That's good. Now it's
How much is
120.
that salary? How
Which-
much is that salary for that blogger?
The fr-
100,000.
earning money. How much?
How much?
I don't know. It depends on how many views. You know, it depends how many views their videos get. So it works off the views. How many views and how many advertisements go through the videos.
Yes, advertisement already.
Oh,
That's advertisement.
they're earning money. They'll be earning some money. Yeah.
YouTube, there are some lucky. Silver yata. Silver, what?
Thank you.
Maganda rin dyan, may staycation kasi.
No! No.
For the food,
No!
ice cream.
Hey, this is a rich man.
It doesn't want. It's
It's already...
all paid.
It's paid.
All done.
Made already.
It's already paid.
Thank you.
This is my manager.
Is your manager?
Yeah,
Is your manager?
that is our manager.
I have plenty of money.
If you want money, just the car. Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, their money.
You want vegetable?
Hey.
You want vegetable? You...
Hey. Stop and
Yeah.
pay the money. Yep. That's it. Yep.
Also in Australia, the enforce is
So I just spent the last few hours with the lovely Janette and her husband and their pet shop. I just had traditional Filipino lunch. It's amazing, the hospitality. Just kept feeding me and whatever drinks I wanted, anything. I just wanted water. It was fine. But I've taken the advice, so I've put a around my neck. It's covering up my chain, but I'm going to go and take it off, go back to the hotel, and the advice was just don't walk around these areas with it on and exposed. They have they're pickpockets, but they call them snatchers here. And just be very careful with your belongings. Keep your bum bag on the front and your mobile phone in your bag, not in your pocket, just to be on the safe side. Don't want to make it sound like doom and gloom, but that's the advice from the locals. And as I was saying earlier, if you're going to get that advice from the people that live here, then take that advice. So it's just a little tip that I've learned today, and something that'll probably be very valuable for me going forward. But I'm going to finish up here. I'm going to say goodbye to Janette and her husband. I'm going to come back tomorrow. They invited me to come back in the morning. Hello. They invited me to come back in the morning, and we're going to organise a tricycle to head to some of the other provinces around Manila. Some of the areas towards Tondo, areas where sort of been advised, yeah, you can go there, no worries. But they said, try and grab a guide or someone that can take you around and show you. And I thought that was a pretty good idea, actually, to be honest. So another tip from Janette, and that'll be to grab a guide. It's a little bit noisy here. Well, not a little bit, it's a lot noisy. It's so busy, it's 2 p.m. and it's like their peak hour, peak time. Some of the areas I wanted to go to, Janette advised at this time of the day, it's now so busy that if I wanted to avoid the crowds, maybe to sort of start making a move around 10 o'clock in the morning when the crowds are a little bit less. But I mean, I don't mind crowds. I don't have a drama with any sort of crowds or people or whatever. As you can see, there's people everywhere here, all around me. But overall, friendly people, friendly area, and just to keep my eye on my belongings. It can never be too safe. I'm going to go take this chain off, drop it in the safe, and we're going to head across to the piers over on the Fort Santiago area. So I've just come down from Janette's upstairs on street level. This is the underground pet market. So it's underneath the building. It's like little tunnels you walk through, and they have all pets, rabbits and guinea pigs and chickens and birds and all sorts of things in here. It's like a little, sort of see behind me, you go through all little alleyways under here, and it's got entry and exit points, all different sides of the building. So you got the little cats behind. They're selling out on the street level. They got all the main animals up there, but yeah, you got all the little streets with different things in them. It's like a little street kind of community, but under the ground. Hey, how are you going? Good?
Well, you're a blogger?
Yes.
Yes. What's your content?
I'm only new, but it's this channel here.
Mr. what?
Donator.
Donator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go.
So
Can I have stickers, sir?
I do. I'll bring it back. I've got to come back here. I just got to go to the hotel. I grab them and then I'm going to come back anyway.
Yeah.
I'll bring all the stickers.
Yes.
No worries. So yeah, bring the stickers. I've got the stickers in the hotel, and I walked out today and I went, oh damn it, I forgot to bring those stickers with me. So I'll go back and grab them. And very tight in here. Look at this. Lots of birds, pigeons, all sorts of cages with animals. Hello. Little kittens. Yeah. So actually that reminded me to go back to the hotel, well, not only to do this chain, but to grab those stickers, because everyone's asking about the channel name, and whilst it's on my on my shirt, on the sticker as well has the not only the name, but it's got the logo, which is the QR code, so they can easily just scan it with their mobile phone and jump on. But look at these little fellas all behind me here. Look at this, little kittens everywhere, all over the place. Got one here, looks like a this one's like a, what do you call it, Persian. Let's have a little look at him. Hey, see that one? Little black Persian. But they're little cuties. I'm going to say goodbye to Janette and get to the hotel, but I'll come back. The guys want some stickers. I may as well grab a handful of stickers and hand them out. But we'll just say a goodbye to Janette and then head back to the hotel and head back to over to Fort Santiago. All right, thank you, Janette. Thank you. Oh, I'll go. I've got to come back. There's some people that downstairs that ask for my sticker for the YouTube sticker vlog. I've got them in the hotel, so I'm going to go grab some. Yeah, they like the stickers. They want the sticker so they can collect it, I guess. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for lunch. That was good. It was great to meet you. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll definitely come back. We'll come back tomorrow.
You want to go to Ugbo?
Yes. Yeah, I'll ask you and we'll organise that, or you'll organise a tricycle.
Yes.
Yeah. Perfect. All right, thank you again for lunch. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably see you again this afternoon. You leave, what time do you leave from here?
11 a.m.
11, but what time do you go home today?
Today, 6 o'clock.
About 6, yeah. All right.
6 p.m.
Okay, perfect. All right. Thanks, Janette. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Thank you. She's lovely. And I'll just say goodbye to her husband. That's her husband there in the back. And he's a great fella too. Thank you. See you soon. I'll come back.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks for lunch. Thanks a lot. You'll be waiting. Perfect. I'm going to take the little walk through Chinatown back to the hotel. They're all out here, all the traders selling their dogs and cats and birds and pigeons, and they're a little bit hot. They're a little bit hot. Hello. Hello. See what I mean? They see you vlogging, they go crazy. They want to be on TV. Oh, he's behind, look, he's there, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, everyone wants to be on television. So I've been told. That's what the taxi driver, or the Grab driver yesterday said. He said that a lot of Filipinos want to be on TV. It must be just something, I know they love their karaoke, and I think they want to be a star. They want to be some sort of movie star. It's interesting because the Grab driver yesterday was mentioning something about what did he say? Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Why did I said that because he did say something about he wanted to be an actor or something along the lines of being an actor. And I said, oh, you know, you never know. It could happen. He said, no, I don't think so. He said, I did enough school just to get me by, and then I finished up, I had enough. And his wife is a high school teacher. So it's interesting when you'll have good talks with the people, you know, and it'll be about their life and about their family and basically anything and everything that they want to have a chat to you about. Pretty good English. I didn't really have any issues or problem understanding what was going on. So back there, like you'll see that I met a lot of the enforcers. They are the traffic enforcers on the busy intersections. So they're like back in Australia, they're like our traffic police that will direct the cars, stop the cars, move the cars on. So they're government enforcing officers, and they were pretty cool dudes. They were real good. They wanted my sunglasses. Well, they wanted to do a swap. He had a pair of cheapies, and he said, "Oh, we do a swap. We do a swap for your sunglasses." And I said, "Yeah, okay, we'll do a swap for 5 minutes." And he was having a laugh. He was only joking, and we did the swap. He loved them. He loved them. He even went up to his motorbike and had a look in the mirror. He was like, "Yeah, these are ace. These are unreal." But no, funny people. They like to have a laugh, like to have a joke, and I got a lot of advice and a lot of tips while I was speaking to Janette and her husband. It's quite amazing actually that how that all happened, wasn't it? I mean, I just went there, just walked past, and just seen these pets. So I thought, oh, I want to have a look at the dogs. There was a Frenchie, you know, the little girl, the little Frenchie, and she really caught my eye, and I missed my Frenchie back home. And I didn't know her name at the time, or that she was the business owner. But Janette said, "Oh, it's like you can open the cage and pat, and yeah, take some video, and you know, you can have a talk if you want." She just said, "You can sit down and have a talk," and I thought, why not? Perfect. This is what I want to do. This is the sort of interaction that you really want to get from the local people. Now, just jumping as I do, we're at an intersection here in just on the outskirts of Chinatown. Now, have a go at the power lines. You know how we thought that Thailand was pretty chaotic with its power lines? Well, have a little look at this. Huh? What is that? It's power lines, I know, but it's pretty mental. It's pretty mental. 2:21 p.m. and it's really picking up around Manila now. There's traffic jams everywhere. Every street is just gridlocked. I look left, right, straight ahead and behind me, and it's just gridlocked. So the area that I'm at is still not too far from the hotel, but this section of the city is all lighting. So a bit like areas of Chiang Mai where they've grouped all their stores. It's the same here, it's no different. They've got all lighting. All these streets that I'm looking at and just walked through are just full of LED lights, chandeliers, bar lights, you name it. They're just lights galore. Jumping all over the place as I do in good Lee fashion. There's security officers, they're not police, but there's security officers at certain entrances to businesses with guns, and everyone's waving. They're all waving. The dude's over here, see behind me in the little blue, having a wave. But yeah, they've got security officers with shotguns and you name it. So I guess it's just their normal security measures going on. I don't know what's going on behind me, but there's a lot of people happy to jump in on the camera. It's going to be interesting shortly when I head over to the fort. I know it's a very touristy area, but I think that particular area is not as chaotic as here. Here is gridlock. I can get across the street, but I've got to sort of wiggly waggly in between cars that are leaving about 2 inches of room. So I'm just going to finish up in this area, have another drink, because it's bloody hot. This is the third bottle I've had since I met Janette. Crazy. It's crazy how hot it is. I don't feel, I mean, when I say hot, it's damn humid hot. It's humid, right? It's really, really humid. There's people blowing the horns. He's only blowing the horn because he's on the camera. I can see him smiling and pointing, and I'm already a celebrity. I'm a celebrity in Manila. But so many people have asked me about the channel, and I wish I had the stickers, because I could have just given out the stickers and straight away they would have been able to jump on. I do tell them I'm only new. There's not many subscribers and not a lot of videos yet. I think at this point in time I've done about 100 damn videos, but getting them online is a bit of a challenge depending on where you are, what hotel you're in, and oh, excuse me. Oh, geez, I don't know what's going on. It's Manila air, not Bangkok air. But depending on what hotel you're in and how good or bad the internet is, depends on how many I can upload to YouTube, I guess. Because last night I did upload one in the new hotel, but it was a little bit, it took quite a while. Their connection's not that stable, unfortunately. So just one of those things, you know, it's hit and miss sometimes. A bit like it was hit and miss with the shower. I went to have the shower and the damn water was cold, so I had to ring reception, and she sent the fella up, the handyman. He brought his pliers and screwdrivers and whatnot up. He got it going. There's only something in the box there, those electric, you know, those instant ones. So he just unscrewed it, did what he did. He said, "Sir, is this good? Is this hot enough?" And I said, "Yeah, it's perfect, beautiful." But we'll just finish off in this area here. You can hear the cars are honking. They're all honking at me, you know. They're really excited. Everyone's so excited to see Mr. Donator in Manila. It's I told you.
Streets are alive, oh Manila vibe. Nagsasayaw mga ilaw. People smiling, bagong araw. Sun is out, tayo na. Feel the beats sa bawat step, masaya sa bawat kanto. Basta ikaw. Tara na, let's go walk the streets. Manila heartbeat, lakad-lakad. Every corner holds a treat. Manila magic, feel the beat. Feel the beat. Laughter, ito sa kalye. Kasama friends, sabay-sabay. Makulay like fiesta. Biyahe natin walang humpay. Humpay. Oh Manila, saan ka man dalhin? Isang bayan, isang awit. Hold my hand, let's begin. Manila dream sa atin. Tara na, let's go walk the streets. Manila heartbeat, lakad-lakad. Every corner holds a treat. Manila magic, feel the beat. Feel the beat. Feel the beat. Tara na, let's go walk the streets. Manila heartbeat, lakad-lakad. Lakad-lakad. Every corner holds a treat. Manila magic, feel the beat.